Morning, we're going to start the Primo Grill. We're going to do some cinnamon rolls. This is kind of a cold day. We're going to do some jalapeno poppers after that. There's a couple methods to starting your Primo Grill. You've got the chimney starter. You would load your charcoal in there first. Wad some paper underneath there. Light it. The paper will ignite your charcoal. The other way, speedy lights. There's different brands of them, but it's just a fuel block that you'll place down inside your charcoal, light it, and it will ignite your charcoal. Our preferred method is the electric starter. So we just place it in there. Stack up a little bit of your charcoal around it. And now you wait.
Now that your charcoal's lit, pull out the electric starter, unplug it, put it in a safe location, and let it cool down.
Okay, we're going to take it to 350 to cook our cinnamon rolls. So with that, we got it opened up all the way, get max airflow in. You can see that the temperature will rise fairly quick, and then you'll want to balance it out. Okay, we got the grill at the temperature we were looking for. It took about 5 minutes to get there. We're going to cook these cinnamon rolls Tom got from Wish. And we're cooking them on a custom-made pan by Reno Metalware. Kind of an old world pizza pan that they manufacture for us. And there's the cinnamon rolls.
Due to the nature of filming while owning a business, we were unable to get the cinnamon rolls coming out of the smoker and getting the icing applied. Huge shout out to our amazing customers who continue to show their support of our small business. Enjoy the only photo, as this is all we had of them after they were smoked and more customers came in. P.S. The cinnamon rolls were most definitely not burnt on the bottom.
Okay, now we're going to put on our jalapeno poppers from Blue Ribbon Meats, and they're on our custom-made Nevada-shaped jalapeno popper trays. I'm going to offset it a little bit just to stop the grease from dripping right onto the coals. Our target temp is about 275 until you get the bacon rendered the way you like it.